Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. I have been in my element. I have been working like a nutcase on videos. And the reason being is because I set goals for myself for my channel. And February and March, I act like I was on vacation, guys. I did 2 videos last month, 2 or 3. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I've been working on so many things today. I just sat up here and started working on this without explaining to you all exactly what I'm doing. I had to stop what I was doing. It's like, oh shoot, I've been doing this and I ain't explained that. So let me explain what I did. These are gonna be candles. I got this idea from Budget Friendly Creations. She made some candles like this. Mine are just a little different because whenever I do something that another creator has done, I always make sure to do mine a little different. What I did so far is the top of this, I cut it off. The bottom of this, I need to trim this off. I did it on this one already. I am using these for mine, and the hole for the bottom was smaller. I made it a little wider, and I also knocked out the hole for this. On this one, I'm not having to knock out the hole. I'm making the bottom a little wider so it can fit down on here. This one, this hole fits on top of that one. So the candles can be at 2 different heights to get the middle part out. You just take something that you can kind of move around to get this section out. And I got my razor and I'm just going around and around. Once I get the opening big enough, I'm gonna use some Mod Podge on here. And after I put the Mod Podge on it and it dries, then I'm gonna spray paint it and I'm gonna let them dry. And for these, then I'm gonna use my sander and I'm gonna scuff it up. I need it to be scuffed up for the next step, which is to put some of this wall texture orange peel on here. Then I am going to glue this glass on top. I forgot my tripod, so I'm just going to film just a little bit of this on camera. I am spray painting these a beige color. While I'm waiting on the bottom half of this candle holder to dry, I'm going to go ahead and glue the top piece on. I'm just using some epoxy that I've let sit up for a few minutes to make sure it's very tacky. And then I'm just going to glue the top part onto that. And it looks like it's level, but my table in here is not level correctly, so I'm going to take it in another room to make sure it's level, and I'll come back to finish it up. All right, they have dried. They have a pretty good weight already, the cones, when you buy them, but because I put the texture spray on here and also spray painted on top, the weight is really good. I am going to put these in the bottom just to give it a more finished look so it can fit nice on my table, won't be scratching it up. And later on, I'm going to buy some felt from the Dollar Tree and put it on top. I just took a cardboard box and just cut out a couple of circles, and now I'm just gonna put them right on the end of this. And I'm gonna do the other one the same way. And for now, I am going to take some hot glue and glue this on. But later on, when I mix up some epoxy, I'm gonna put some epoxy down in to make sure it has a permanent hold. That is level, or pretty much. My table is not really level. And look how pretty those turn out. Now let's move on. Hi guys. To show you how I remove the tag from the items that I purchased very easily. I just set them over in some water and they pretty much just kind of peel off. Just like that. Then I'm going to wash these very well, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to style them on my table. I hope everyone is doing well today. It is beautiful on a lazy Saturday afternoon here in Las Vegas. We are probably about in the 80s. I want to give a special shout out to one of my subscribers, Teresa of Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. I'm telling you, if you haven't visited her channel, go right on over and check it out. Also, she had a birthday this month, so remember to wish her a happy birthday. I get a lot of inspiration from her channel. She has home decor, home styling, shopping hauls, and recently I just uploaded this video and I didn't realize that I got the inspiration from a picture on her channel. This picture. I am recreating something else today in this video that she did. Go right over to her channel, show her some love, and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll get a lot of inspiration. Now today, I'm going to recreate these. She got them from Ross. I went to Ross. I couldn't find them. I fell in love with them. So I have to recreate these. And this is how she styled them. So let's get on with the video so I can show you my recreation of them and how I styled mine. Check this out. I can recreate a lot of things myself. Now, the difference between hers and mine, I'm not sure if hers has a hole to go all the way through, but the way I'm recreating mine, I can put flowers down in the round part as well as put a candle on the top section. I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna get started and show you what I mean. Now let me show you how I'm going to put these items together. I'm going to take a flower here and I'm going to put it down in the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to take this and put it on top. And I'm not going to glue it on, and then that way I'll be able to change up whatever flower or whatever I want to put in there and just set that on top. And I'm taking a candle and putting the candle right in here. Move this over. Now you've seen me use these in a different stylings, and I'm so glad that when I made these, I didn't put make a candle to put in top like I had originally planned. I'm loving styling these in different ways. Today, I'm just gonna style it to match the jars, the vases that I just did, the jars, the vases, whatever you want to call it. And I am just going to take the greenery. One of the flowers and one of the yellow flowers. I did this beautiful floral arrangement off camera. I'm going to go ahead and set it on the table and show you how the table looks. We are well into spring, and I am changing my decor from spring to summer. I have a few more things to do. Still trying to find some pillows for my couch. I'm going to change out the coffee station for Mother's Day, and it's going to tie in with what I'm doing here. And after I do that, I'm going to show you a full reveal of this area for spring summer. But today, here is that beautiful arrangement and the semi DIYs that I've done. I think that is beautiful. And I hope you do too. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for inspiring me, Teresa, with 2 items, 1 DIY, and this quick DIY here that really wasn't a DIY. I just put it together. Guys, make sure you stop by Teresa's channel. Show her some love. Wish her a happy birthday. Get that subscriber count up to 500 or more, guys. Come on. We can do this. Y'all know how we do this. We help each other reach our goals. So get that subscriber count up for her, guys. And Teresa, on my next video, I'm recreating another one of your items. As I always say, guys, make sure you protect your joy and your peace. Stay in prayer. Love one another. And you guys be blessed. Oh, wait. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I welcome you to the family. Thank you so much, and keep coming back. I've got a couple more videos to do this month because I'm not on vacation. Bye, guys.